Hello everybody. In this lecture we'll see how to create an easy way a b-dimensional vector which it is a matrix. Let's proceed. I made a mistake over here, but I will return int main curly brace, declare let's say matrix with 2 lines, 2 columns, open the curly brace, 1 and 2, closed, 3 and 4, semicolon. Now we jump the loop, we write down the line for it, I less than 2, I plus plus, also loop for column j equals 0, j less than 2, j plus plus. Now we're using the printf function, we'll print out our matrix. We call the matrix I and j semicolon printf return 0. And I said I made a mistake over here, corrected, and let's run. Oops. And what is over here? Int matrix, blah blah blah, missing curly brace over here. Yep. And let's run. And this is our matrix. Thank you for watching. See you next time.